It's being called a serious public health threat. The CDC now warning about a drug-resistant bacteria, this one called shigella. Outbreaks are often spread through contaminated foods and surfaces. It only takes a small amount of bacteria to make you really, really sick. And new tonight, WRAL's Aaron Thomas spoke with local health experts about how it spreads and what local restaurants should do to keep you safe. Aaron?
Yeah, Lena, and tonight I do want to point out that state health officials tell me that as of today, there have been no confirmed cases of shigella detected here in North Carolina yet, but it's a matter of time considering how easy it is to spread. These local restaurants here, they're taking note and they're beefing up their safety practices to prevent any outbreaks. When it comes to proper food preparation, employees at Gringo A Go-Go in Raleigh are stepping up to the plate.
Wear gloves, wear hats, and also wash your hands every single time that you got a chance.
Owner Freddie Alvarez hammering home these practices even harder as the CDC warns of an infection becoming more common called shigella. It has the potential to spread from contaminated raw foods or foods prepared by someone who has an infection.
Really, really risky to have something like that, especially in a restaurant. And if somebody's contagious, they can spread it.
A much more severe kind of food poisoning.
Duke Health infectious disease expert Dr. Cameron Wolf says symptoms like diarrhea, stomach cramps, and fever can last anywhere from 5 to 7 days.
You know, part of the concern more recently has been that, like many bacteria, it's becoming a little more drug resistant.
People with shigella infection can spread the infection to others for several weeks after their diarrhea ends. Local restaurant owners I spoke with fortunately have had no outbreaks of this disease. Inside the kitchen, they're emphasizing deep cleaning, staff wearing gloves while handling food, and for anyone not feeling well to stay home.
We know that we can be short on people, but we prefer to sacrifice shortest on the restaurant, but we know everybody's health is basically safe that way.
And that owner with this restaurant here goes on to say that when it comes to raw food, they make sure to cook everything, make sure that it's fresh, and to constantly wash it off. Now, Dr. Wolfs, he says that he does not anticipate this to be a common disease here in North Carolina, and some common reminders to wash your hands before dealing with food, before eating, and of course, after using the bathroom. Lena?
Aaron Thomas reporting live for us in Raleigh. Thank you.